Hey pen adventurers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous pen adventure Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you as promised with another ZGallerie inspired wall art piece that I just created. If you want to see how I put everything together, just keep on watching. Now guys, I know that a lot of us have been quarantined due to the pandemic, but I just want to encourage you to stay home, stay safe, and stay prayerful. So here are the items that I'm going to use for this DIY. I am using this old picture frame that I've had for a while. I think I've had it about 10 years now. It's nice and sturdy, but I just need to change the color out. Instead of throwing it out, I'm just going to repurpose it. I bought this at HomeSense, like I said before, about 10 years ago. I'm also going to be using some of this decorative filler, crushed glass basically, that I picked up at Michael's. I have leftover silver glitter that I got at Walmart from my other project. I'm using gold glitter. The same all-purpose clear glue, the light's blocking it out, that I got from Walmart that I also used in my previous painting. White acrylic paint from the dollar store. And then I wanted to add some pink, so I got these two metallic paints from Michael's. We'll see how that works out. I got two different kinds. I got this one, and then I got another one by Craft Smart. Again, I got both of these from Michael's. Now guys, I won't be going into great detail with this painting. What I'll do is I'll just put a link to my previous one that I did where I went into a lot of detail, but I just wanted to show you the process for doing this one. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing I'll be doing in an effort to cover all the color that it currently has is I'm going to cover it in white acrylic paint. I'm going to start there. After all the white paint has dried, I am now going to go in using my two pink paints that I picked up from Michael's. After painting to my heart's desire and achieving the look I'm looking for, I'll be now adding my glue very thickly. That way my crushed glass and my glitter can be securely adhered. I'm just using my foam brush to spread the glue just out a little bit. That way everything can be nice and even.
After leaving it to dry for 24 hours, this is the final result. I haven't yet placed it on the walls, but as soon as I do so, I will link pictures on my Instagram page, The Glamorous Penny Pincher. That way you can go ahead over there and take a look at it. In the meantime, guys, why don't you go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like this painting. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you stopping by and would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos such as this. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Shalom, saying bye-bye.